Send me a message right now. Send me a message right now. All right. Another person spotted me on the road, man.
Hey, tonythecloser, baby. Hey, I get you upset. Can I talk to you, man?
I gotta go to the airport.
Hey, I'm on my way to get into the car. Hey, I'm gonna hit you on Instagram.
It happens everywhere now, man. It's crazy. It's humbling though. I like it, man. The hard work pays off. I think a lot of times when you put in work and people appreciate you and show you respect, you give it back. And I always make sure, no matter what I got going on, that I at least acknowledge and really just show love to the people that show love to me, man. So y'all see me, man, say what's up. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But 2 months goes by so fast.
Dang. I don't really want no down 3-bedroom like that.
They aren't 2 bedroom.
I mean, I'll take a 3, I ain't gonna use it. It's already gonna be a temp house.
Yeah. You want me to look for other buildings? You okay with it?
Yeah, as long as it's dope, yeah.
Okay. Let me look at it a little bit later. I'll get back to you.
All right.
As I get on my meeting. Bye.
Okay.
Shorty acting like she knew better. I'm a draper and some diamonds in that new sweater. I'm understanding why they mad at me. Cause the way I chase the bag, I'm burning calories. I live for the day, no I'm not promised tomorrow. If she need a player, she know that I'm up for the job. She with a boy, she need a man though. I'm palming the trees like I'm in Orlando. Lil' mama thick, only fans though. She fuck with
wholesale.com. Wholesale.com. Literally, you get a 7-day free trial. I know Dave and all those guys, the owners of the company. I'm literally one of the biggest affiliates. Your machine is very, very good at driving for dollars. Yeah. Closing data that I just told you about, that's what helps you basically find all the properties anywhere in the country. You get all the information, all the data. Miami, what's up? We here, baby.
They ain't really off to like you. Ain't another just like the baddest in the city. That's what I told you. Neutron.
I live for the day, no I'm not promised tomorrow. If she need a player, she know that I'm up for the job. She with a boy, she need a man though.
Double mask up. Can you find me something I can move into?
Yeah.
Like, not in the May?
Yeah. Did you see what I sent you?
I didn't even look at it. I just like,
So I expanded it to like the beach and everything.
which one got that's like super dope though?
I told you it was super dope. But you don't want to wait.
Don't nobody want to fucking wait no 2 months. This is one spot I want to move into in Miami, but they got a fucking wait list and all kind of crazy shit. Just move into some shit. I just want to pay, get the space, be on my way.
Goofy, yeah. You already knew it. I pull up with a bitch nice and full. She hop in the whip and making them sick. Niggas so pressed cause they know they can't hit. Straight from the shot, you can't fuck on my clip. Can't fuck on my clip. That shit that I'm smoking is top shelf. Smoking gas on the daily, that's most death. Put it on the city, that's Wendy. Homie. Shot town.
I live for the day, no I'm not promised tomorrow.
Somebody said, hey, solid training. No wonder it's one-time watch or purchase for replay. That's the best wholesale training I've ever seen. Even better than some of the courses I've invested in the years back for hundreds and then thousands. Excited to start closing deals. See, that's the difference. A lot of people talk about giving you free wholesale trainings and things like that, but I actually give you stuff that's actionable that you can actually start making money right now from home. So if you haven't already done so, what you need to do right now is you need to go to ronaproof.com, because the only way you can get results is by getting trained by the best. Let me help you shortcut your learning curve so you can start making money in real estate right now. Let's go. And into the #1 community, you can do so now by going to ronaproof.com www.realestate.com/join. Make sure you come on there and join into the community. Thousands of members strong. We want to help you get paid and give you the exact strategies to help you get that bag in 2021. Let's get it. See you in class.
Let go. Scratch game. Face shots to the face, don't trip on your legs. Mafia.
Busy man, I just want to show you some love.
No, I appreciate it, bro.
I said everybody going blue this month. Alex just went blue. You blue. Who else next? Salute. Hey, look, how you gained 1,000 followers from the time that you posted though? I'm like, yo, he posted with 237. He already got another 1,000 people following him. Your shit on fire, huh? Keep going, dog. Salute.
Appreciate it, bro.
All right, peace.
I'm on my big full shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug.